In this video, we are going to learn types of business plans. Business plans help companies identify their objectives and remain on track. Business plans are so powerful that they not only help companies to start, but also help them to manage themselves and help them grow after they are up and running. They also act as a means to get people to work with and invest in the businesses. Although there is no right or wrong business plans, still they can fall into two categories: traditional and the lean startup. According to the Small Business Administration, the traditional business plan is most common. They are standard with much more detail in each section. These tend to be much longer and required a lot of more work. Lean startup business plans, on the other hand, use a standard structure even though they aren't as common in the business world. These business plans are short, crisp and brief. I have seen as short as single-pager business plans, and these have very little details. If a company uses this kind of business plan, they should expect to provide more details if an investor or a lender requests it. A complete business plan must include a set of financial projections for the business. These forward-looking projected financial statements are often called pro formas financial statements, or simply the pro formas. These statements include the overall budget, current and projected financial needs, a market analysis, and the company's marketing strategy. Other consideration for business plan: the idea behind putting together a business plan is to enable owners to have more defined picture of potential costs and drawbacks to certain business decisions and to help them modify their structures accordingly before implementing these ideas. It also allows owners to project what type of financing is required to get their business up and running. If there are any especially interesting aspects of the business, they should be highlighted and used to attract financing. For example, Tesla Motors electric car business essentially began only as a business plan. A business plan is not meant to be a static document. As the business grows and evolves, so should the business plan. An annual review of the plan allows an entrepreneur to update it when taking markets into consideration. It also provides an opportunity to look back and see what has been achieved and what has not. Think of it as a living document that grows and evolves with your business.